Good morning, everyone. Let me begin by introducing myself. My name is Abeer, and I'm a student at the University of Alberta. Today, I'll be giving an update on what I've been working on as part of Canos. First of all, I want to thank my mentors, Shelly and Lan, for this opportunity and also for helping me throughout the Canos term. For this Canos update, first, I would like to give an overview of the auto re-enable pipeline. The goal of the pipeline is to automatically re-enable previously disabled tests if the associated issue has been resolved. This Epic's issue can be broken down into 4 stages, and I believe Jocelyn talked about the first 2 in the previous meeting. I have worked on the 3rd step, which involves triggering the Jenkins build and to check if the tests actually pass and can be enabled again. So this is what the process of building the pipeline looks like, and I'll explain why some of these parameters are needed. The first requirement of my task is to trigger the scripts written by Jocelyn to obtain the output. For this, I had to add 2 parameters, the label parameter and the Aqua issue tracker credential ID parameter. The purpose of the label parameter is to ensure that the scripts run on machines that have Python version 3.8 or above. And the purpose of the other parameter is that it allows me to consume a Git token, which is stored as a secret text on Jenkins. Okay, so after the Python file is successfully triggered, a JSON file is generated. Now, the next step is to check that for each test in the file, whether the associated Git issue is closed or open. This is followed by filtering out tests depending on selected parameters for JDK version and JDK implementation. And finally, if all of these requirements are met, a build is triggered and the result for each build is propagated. And that pretty much covers everything I've worked on for this pipeline. Thank you so much for listening.